Today I'm talking about leadership in life, which means practical leadership. In ancient times, until today, people believe that leadership is imposition of your will. Right, left, imposition of their viewpoints, dogmas and doctrines. And the way they are living, they want to impose this on other people. So this imposition created lots of reactions and bad karma. We usually try to improve the concept of leadership and see it in its essence, what really leadership is in its essence. And we can find that leadership is the influence you bring on others. It's very subtle. You don't need people forcing your will, your dogma, your doctrine, your viewpoints, but influence them in such a way that they find their way to light, to beauty, to harmony, to cooperation. So the concept is changed. The field of your influence is the field of your leadership. If you have a field like this, you are influencing them, that's your leadership. Your leadership grows and deepens as the field of your influence increases. You can influence a group, you can influence a nation, you can influence all humanity. It is very important. The way you influence people, the way you lead them into certain directions, that builds your karma. So your karma is really created by your own influence upon other people. That's very important factors. So every day you are going to observe yourself. If your influence on other people is beneficial, the way you talk, the way you behave, the way you relate with other people, the way you evoke from them the best that they have, the way you close their beauties and goodness and suppress them, all collectively make your karma. So your karma is built by your own hand, by the influence you are leaving on other people. What does it mean, influence? Influence is philosophically is a dynamic energy which goes into other people and put them into certain directions and actions. For example, you watch your clothing, because you are, whether you like or not, an influence. Now, if you understand this, it is the beginning of improvement. Your existence, whatever you are thinking, doing, speaking, in whatever way you are relating with people, is your influence.